Hello everyone, in this video we are going to solve a GCD problem or HCF problem. So basically problem is of course tricky, and the big numbers are given for which you have to find HCF, which is the highest common factor, right? Or it is also called GCD. So if you do manually, then finding the factors and so on may be messy. Therefore, we will use one important trick. This trick we have also used for other videos on our channel. So anyway, the trick is important, okay? Therefore, I am repeatedly doing it. So first, what is HCF? HCF is highest common factor. So basically, if you have two or more numbers, you collect all the common factors and then check which one is the highest common factor, okay? Or this is called GCD. GCD means greatest common divisor. Both are exactly the same thing. There is no confusion, okay? So suppose A, B are two natural numbers, okay? Then if HCF of AB is D, then what does this imply? This implies, so basically by definition, D divides A, D also divides B, so D divides both of them, so D is a common divisor and D must be maximum such, right? Then D is called HCF or GCD, okay, fine. So suppose in a situation where, I mean, we can always take A less than B without loss of generality, right? So one of the numbers is less, okay? Now think of a special situation where A actually divides B, the smaller number divides the bigger number given, okay? So this is this, okay? This bar means this is the notation for dividing, okay? A bar B means A divides B, okay? So in particular, if we actually take A divides B, then in this case, what is HCF of AB? This is a very, very easy and fairly simple question. Let us still answer this. So for any number A automatically divides A itself, right? Now, if A also divides B, B being the bigger number, okay, then A is the largest common divisor because A is already common divisor because A is dividing A is dividing B. Now, there cannot be anything which is larger than A and still a common divisor because nothing more than A can divide A, right? Because it has to be a common divisor. Therefore, A is the common divisor which is largest, which means what? If the smaller number divides the bigger number, then the smaller number itself is the HCF, okay? So if A divides B, HCF of AB is equal to A, okay? The smaller number A. Well, so now coming back to our numbers 4049 and this big number 20242 is a very, very big number anyway. So first observation we want to make it here is this. So 4049 is actually sum of the bases here 2024 plus 2025, right? This is an important observation. So basically here it is like A plus B and this is A power something, B power that something, okay? Anyway, so this motivates us this question. Suppose A, B are natural numbers given. Whether there is any connection between these two numbers, A plus B and A to the n plus B to the n, okay? So in general, for all n, okay, there is a connection, but not always, okay? So what kind of connection? Is it like A plus B divides A to the n plus B to the n for all n? The answer is no, because it's a simple check actually. You just check with A equal to 1, take B equal to 2 and n equal to 2. Then A plus B is simply 3 and A to the n plus B to the n is actually 5. 3 does not divide 5, okay? So A plus B does not divide A to the n plus B to the n always. But still there is a fact which is true. What is that fact? The fact is A plus B divides A to the n plus B to the n when n is odd, okay? Why is that so? This actually follows from an identity, okay? What is that identity? We have seen this on my channel, but again we are recalling it. So the identity is true for all n odd numbers, okay? For any n odd, you actually have this identity A to the n plus B to the n equal to A plus B into this factor, okay? What is the proof? You just simply multiply A plus B to this, and this identity is not valid for n even, okay? That's the main thing here. So basically for n odd, A to the n plus B to the n can be written as A plus B, which is a natural number, times this is not a natural number, but this is an integer, right? So if we can write a to the n plus b to the n as a plus b times some integer, then a plus b divides a to the n plus b to the n, right? So a plus b divides a to the n plus b to the n. Okay, now what are our numbers? 4049, which is 2024 plus 2025, right? And the another big number 2024. So here if we take a to be 2024 and b to be 2025, okay, then a to the n here, n is 2025. What is n? N is 2025. So n is in particular odd, therefore a plus b must divide a to the n plus b to the n, because n is odd, right? Therefore we can say 4049 in particular, which is the sum of these two, divides this. Okay, now we are in a situation where a less than this b and a divides b. Then what is HCF? The smaller number. Okay, so that is basically the highest common factor. Okay, yeah, so that was the trick, and we have used this successfully. And that's all in this video. If you like the content, do press the like button and consider subscribing our channel to motivate us. I sincerely thank you for watching.